For horizontal and vertical lines, a horizontal line like this and a vertical line like this, we actually have two acronyms that help us keep everything straight. So we've got HOI and we've got VUX. So the H stands for horizontal over here. The O stands for zero slope, so you can write that as 0 or you can write the number 0. And then the Y says two things. One, the equation will always say Y equals a number, and it's always going to start on the Y axis. So the vertical one, very similar. So the VUX, the V stands for vertical. The U stands for the undefined slope. You do need to write out undefined there. And the X stands for both the equation, X equals a number. Notice you don't have any Y's in this one, you don't have any X's in this one. And it starts on the X-axis. So I'm going to graph two lines on this one plane right here, and I'm going to pull out their slopes. So right away I see I only have a Y in this equation, so I know that's a HOI, which has a 0 slope. So down here this must be a VUX, and it is, and that's my undefined slope. You can abbreviate that if you need to. So I'm going to do this one in blue, I'll do this one down here in red. So my Y equals 2 on my Y axis, so Y to the sky, I need to start at 2 and make a horizontal line. For my other one, so this one's in red, I need to start on my X-axis at -2 right here, so X-axis, and make a vertical line. So every X along this line is -2, every Y and every coordinate is a +2 in that one. So pause it, try these two on your own, and then come back and watch the video if you need to check your answers or more explanation. So this one I see an X starting out, so that is a VUX, which means my slope is undefined. So I need to start on my X-axis at +3 and make a vertical line. For my Y one, I'll do that one in blue. This is a HOI, just has a Y, no X. So that has a 0 slope. On my Y-axis at -3, I need to make a horizontal line. Now please don't get these confused with this equation right here, Y equals X. Notice that has a Y and an X in it, so that can't be a HOI or VUX. Here's a pretend coordinate plane. This one is the one that's missing this and that, so it's missing the slope, which is 1/1, and the Y-intercept is 0. That's your perfect diagonal from corner to corner.